How to fix Microsoft Teams lagging on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Teams lagging on Android phone. First, open Microsoft and open Play Store, and make sure your Microsoft Teams is updated. And now go to settings and then apps, and now here you will find performance mode. Enable it, or you can just disable power saving mode, and that's it. Now go to apps and then apps again and type here Teams, click on it and then click storage. Now click clear cache and then force stop and go back, try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Just close all the applications in the background. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.